All right, so let's say in the desktop version of SketchUp, you want to rotate a curve. So one of the ways you could do that is of an actual graph. You could construct a graph that you're going to rotate around an axis like so. You could then save this graph, say using like the snipping tool, something like that. I could save it. Save it to your desktop. I already saved one here. I saved it as a PNG. Yes. And now go back to SketchUp, and I believe I can import on my desktop. Let's see, PNG. There we go. Import. And yeah, I'll snap it to that and change the scale. So what I'm left with is my image is drawn like so, and so that's the actual curve that we had. So now if I want to trace that so I can rotate it, I'm going to go to the line tool and click freehand, and I'm going to actually trace this. Oh, let me actually use maybe I should use my pen instead of my mouse. Okay, here we go. There it goes. Right, something like that. And let me make a surface out of this. Like so. And I could actually theoretically delete the background here as well if I wanted. But what I've now got is a three-dimensional surface that I traced from my drawing. Theoretically, you also could have done that with a whole bunch of short segments using the line tool if your freehand drawing skills aren't great. So if I want to rotate this, I've got to draw an arc. And so I'm going to make the center of my arc here. And I want mine, the rotation point to be parallel, I guess that's, yeah, parallel to the red axis. And now I'm going to draw a curve like so. So I'll click make a quarter circle curve like that. Now what I'm going to use is the extrude tool. Let's see, tools, push, pull, follow me is the one that I want. Okay. I might have to delete a part of this arc in order to make it work, but if I click on this surface and have it follow me along this arc, yeah, it's getting all confused. Wow, that's actually pretty crazy, although unintentional, what it's doing there. Let's undo that, Control Z. And like I said, if I delete this vertical line, and so now I don't have a surface on the end, I just have the arc. And now I go to Tools, Push, Pull, Follow Me, and follow it along that arc. I can actually get an approximation of the square root of x function rotated, in this case, 90 degrees. And if I made the arc more than that, I could have actually gotten some approximations of a full revolution as well, which I guess I'll show you real quick now that you've seen it once, or you can just ignore the rest of this video. Let's see, where's my arc tool? I already lost it. There it is. So yeah, snap it along the red axis, rotate all the way around. And now notice this does actually, unfortunately, have fewer polygons there. I guess I could construct some midpoint to midpoint and delete some if I want it to have a better extrusion. If I delete can I delete the surface? Well, maybe not. Let's see what happens. Tools, follow me, and notice, behold, I can make a rotation of that object. We got a little bit of the shading there that you can kind of see what's going on. and there's a rotation of my graph about the x-axis 360 degrees. All right, thanks for watching, friends. Bye-bye.